Well, been trimming up after wind had limbs come down here. So, been trimming up and taking some dead wood off this tree. This is the big stuff. Have most of the little stuff taken care of. Kind of cutting it up. This is the second garbage bin. Still have a lot of raking, and I was informed that there's some dead up here that I'm supposed to take down. I'm actually using a phone camera. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do editing. I actually am used to and like Movie Maker because I'm used to it and know how to use it. I haven't found anything that I like in terms of apps. Everything wants me to put in a credit card number, and I don't have one. I do have a debit card, but I don't want to put that online. But we'll see what goes. My laptop doesn't have Bluetooth. My tablet does, but it's really slow. I don't know that it would even, if Movie Maker would even work on this, on that. Just something. I'm using this pole saw. It's got a 14-foot pole on it, or reach. I'm using a snow shovel, or what I call a dustpan on a stick. I'm also using this. It's a hand saw that's got the same blade as the pole saw. And of course the loppers. But I am getting it done. I haven't got a whole lot done recently. I am still feeling some exertion, even though there's no heart disease. They did play around with my heart. So, still have that going on. But I'm going to see about getting this done. Bella! There's Bella. Hello, Bella. Oh, wrong way. I was zooming in when I wanted to zoom out. She's leaving. She's done. But yeah, I still have a considerable amount to rake up. A little bit here that I need to trim up. The bigger ones I'm going to wait on doing those. I don't think I'm going to have the room in the can. We'll see how it goes on that. And like I said, there is some dead that I was told I need to do. But I'll just use the pole saw for that. Well, I ended up taking down more of this dead wood. These blades on this saw, they're really aggressive. Actually, got my thumb and, oh, there's the thumb and my finger there. Just because it cut too quick through what I was cutting. This tree, it's really a garbage tree. I'm lifting it, and that's why I cut myself, is it's so it's so light, it just moves. I can't hold it enough now, but you can see how far that's cut into that. Maybe I can hold it to do a couple more. It's a really aggressive, and this wood's just really easy to cut. I don't know if you can see where the saw marks, tool marks are there, but it says this is 1080p. Unfortunately, it's only a 720p screen, so I can't see, but we'll see when I get it in an editor after I figure out transferring it. I guess I can pull the SD card, but that's a pain. But we'll get back to that. I'm going to finish cleaning up at least the small stuff. I don't know if I'm going to get these bigger ones cleaned up tonight or not. It's not real late, but excuse me. I have been at this for a while and kind of tired of it. Well, I got most of it raked up. It's mostly there, and a lot there. Still have to clean up this dead that I cut, and that original one that fell. There was a question of where that one came from that fell, and there are a few broken ones over there, but it actually come to find out the one that broke came from right there, and ended up 30 feet over there. And I've still got to get those. I'm actually, the neighbor was just moved to assisted living. I'm watching their house until their family comes down in a few days. And I think I'm going to borrow their dumpster for some of this, as well as clean up their yard a bit. They've got 2 dumpsters, so I think I can manage to get this and theirs between what's left in this dumpster and there too. Actually, I've got to go over and their shed is open, but just more to do. Well, had a wind advisory last night. I don't know how good the camera's picking this up, but it was from the north, and this is the north side of the fence. There's Bella inside the fence. There's more. These are all from the neighbors' pecan trees. I already raked up 3/4 of a bin just off the driveway, and I'll do these, and maybe that'll justify borrowing their bins. They're not here, so it won't matter. It's not like they need them. But yeah, that's more to pick up. Well, the yard looks pretty good. There's just that pile there. Got that done. Got to finish picking up my tools and move the bins close to the fence. Garbage day isn't for a couple days, but this is done at least, so move on to other things. Well, still have this pile of larger limbs from these trees. I had planned to use that handsaw, but these don't weigh enough to stay in place, and so I've actually opted to use the battery-powered small chainsaw, because it pulls it against the front of the saw, so it doesn't have the saw hitting me, doing, well, all kinds of damage. But that's today's plan. Too bad I couldn't hook the phone up on a tripod so I could watch, but well, Maybe I'll think of something. Well, this is the last of the tree to be done. This is the second wheelbarrow full that I've taken. There's Bella. Bella! Yes, she's a good girl. I've actually got Mom out here. That was her foot you just saw. She's helping me hold these so that I can get them cut. I'd show you the pile that I've been piling them on, but it's an existing pile. I may still do it, but it's just an existing pile that I've got going. Well, you can kind of see the new wood in there. It's got lighter ends than what was there. Those were from, oh geez, spring or last fall. I can't remember when I cut those, but pretty good little pile of wood. This is actually what the wood's for. This is turned up because it's been raining monsoon season, but that's why I'm saving this wood, is so Mom can, if she wants, have a fire. I think she got this spring, so I think I've only been saving wood since spring for her. It hasn't been really used yet. But when your summers are triple digits plus, you don't really want to have a fire going. It's cooling off. Today there's a breeze. It's maybe low 60s. Yesterday only got into the upper 60s. It's fall. Maybe that we'll get a fire going. My brother's coming down in about 10 days. Maybe when he's here we'll get together on Mom's patio and have a little fire. But I'm going to put the rest of the wood here, there. Well, got a pretty good pile there. This is about all I'm going to put here. Anything else will go to the dump or to the green waste. Although they don't always take green waste. Some of it does go into the landfill. But, excuse me, I think I'm done doing this. This is several nights fires and it doesn't really get used. But with my brother coming down, it might get used for a night or two at least. Well, there's everything put up. I got to go get my tools and my sunshade out of the front yard. Although I'm enjoying feeling the breeze on my sweaty shirt for the moment. Hey, thanks for watching. Feel free to keep track of what I'm doing. Like, subscribe, etc.